Hi there, so here is the Redmi 7A, probably one of the most reasonable and value for money phones of 2019. The Redmi 7A is selling for 5,999. Yes, under 6,000. So who is this phone for? Well, for grandparents, for people who want to move from a regular phone to a smartphone, people who don't want to spend too much for a smartphone. This is also amazing if you want to give it to your office staff for WhatsApping or something, or for home help. In this video, we're going to unbox it, we're going to review it, we're going to see how it performs, and I'll let you know whether it's worth your buck or not. So continue watching. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Here is the retail packaging of the Redmi 7A. It's available in three colors: gold, blue and black. On the top left, you can see this is the 2GB RAM, 32GB storage variant. Also, the Redmi 7A comes with 2-year warranty. Amazing. On the back of the box, it says Snapdragon 439 chipset, 4000 mAh battery, 12 megapixel AI camera, 5.45-inch HD Plus display. It comes with dual volt support, which means you can use two Geo connections simultaneously. 5 megapixel selfie camera, FM radio, micro SD card slot, face unlock and lots more. This is a matte blue color with a 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. There's also a 16GB variant available. Alright, let's quickly open this up. So the first thing on the top we see is the phone. Let's keep it aside. And inside we have a charger and a micro USB to a USB cable. The charger is just a 5-watt charger, which is not going to be exactly very fast, but it'll do a decent job. And here is the SIM ejector pin and some paperwork. No cover or case included inside the box. Let's remove the screen protector and have a closer look at the device. You can see the Redmi branding at the bottom of the screen. Below you can see the micro USB port to charge the phone, a mic and a speaker. On the top, a 3.5mm audio headphone jack and a second noise cancelling microphone. On the left you have a SIM ejector tray. Let's quickly open this up. You can use 2 nano SIMs and a dedicated micro SD card up to 256GB. On the right side of the phone you have the power button and the volume rockers. The back has a 12 megapixel camera with flash. The back is made of soft plastic and looks quite good. Let's quickly power on the phone. As the setup completes, let's have a quick look at the specifications. Snapdragon 439 chipset, 2GB RAM with 16GB or 32GB storage options, IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1440 by 720 pixels, 12 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, 4000 mAh battery and Android 9.0 Android Pie. At first look, the display is very impressive. The MIUI UI interface is buttery smooth. This is why I love the MIUI UI. So well optimized. Apps open and close quickly. The device is extremely responsive. Tons of theme options also available to change the look and feel. The camera flash doubles up for a flashlight, which always comes handy. Great feature to have. Most Google apps such as YouTube, Gmail, Photos, Maps come pre-installed. You can delete third-party unwanted apps very easily. It will help you save a lot of space. The Redmi 7A is running the Android 9 Pie, which is amazing considering this is a super budget device. You can switch to dark mode in the setting to help reduce the strain. The blacks look terrific. The display quality is genuinely impressive. The colors are vivid. Even though this is just a 720p display, the text is crisp and clear to read. Here is a full HD video running on YouTube. It looks stunning. Gorgeous color reproduction, sharp images and runs smoothly. Amazing for video viewing. Let's quickly see the camera. The camera interface is simple and easy to use. Took some random pics and frankly for a phone at this price, my expectations were very minimal. But surprisingly, the images look quite good. Surely you can see the details captured. Here are a few more. Tested the audio output from the speakers and it was average. Loud enough to hear the ringtone but not enough to enjoy the music. Does the job though. Oh my god, what do I say? 6,000 rupees. Absolutely amazing. So it has the Snapdragon 439. Now actually someone who's going to buy this phone won't actually know what even a quad core, octa core, or what is even Snapdragon, because this is usually going to be a first phone for someone or a second phone. All they need to know is it will work fine, performs well, all your basic apps will work, display is good, battery life is excellent, camera is quite good, actually much better than actually I anticipated. It's quite good, selfie camera works. The only thing that this phone lacks is a fingerprint scanner. But come on, 6,000 rupees, not complaining. 4000 mAh battery, easily 2 days. With a power efficient chip like the 439, this is going to easily pull you for 2 days. 2 GB of RAM might not sound too much, but regular apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, your regular messaging, calling, all those basic apps will work flawlessly. Also, this is a 32 GB version. There is a 16 GB and 32 GB. The 32 GB is for 6,199. 200 rupees extra, but I think it's worth. You can expand it with 256 GB, which is great, but I would still request you to spend that 200 rupees and get the 32 GB internal, because sometimes when apps get full and place gets full, it becomes a little difficult to install apps on memory card. It's a mess. So ideally, if you can get the 32 GB, it's great. Also, this doesn't come with a cover in the box, so I highly recommend you put a cover on this. I'll leave the links of some covers in the description. Also, I'll leave the links of description for the phone, so if you want to buy one, I'll leave the links of them as well in the description. Do check it out. This is a great phone for your office help, for your grandparents, as a gift, as a first smartphone, as a standby phone. It's great. In 6,000 rupees, you can't go wrong. I can promise you that much. This is something which no one is going to regret after they buy it. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback. Also, if there are any questions, do mention them down. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.